Oh, mama, it's hailing. Oh my, basketball goal is down. Mama, it is like snowing. I'm about to walk. Look, even, go ahead and look out. It's a little freaky, but look out. It's snowing like crazy, Mama. I'm walking to the back door. I'm afraid it's gonna, oh my God, that is freaking quarter-sized hail, Mama. Mama, I'm not kidding you. I'm trying. Hey, the porch looks good. The porch. Oh, it's not done, but it looks good. He has the wood on the top. I know. No, it's still hailing.
Chelsea, I know she would hear this.
Yeah, Chelsea's gone.
She's under the bed.
Oh, TV came back on. Holy crap, it looks like it's snowing. Yes, Mama. I'm inside. I'm not daring to step outside. It's like flooding up your little bushes. It's like the roads are flooded, Mama. The roads are flooded. Water and hail. I mean, there's like a little space where one car can go through. Yes, Mama, it's torn.
Stop. Just stop.
Dude, some cars trying to just pass by. Alright, here, you talk to Ethan. Turn it to the news.
Hey, Mom.
Holy crap. Dude, it's still black. The sky is still, oh my God.
The sky is still black.
The hailing is stopping. The hailing is stopping in the backyard.
Hailing is stopping from the backyard.
Dude, grab me some shit. Freaking hold it and just look outside. Hold it and look outside.
I just turned it to the news.
Okay.
What now?
I'm gonna sit on bench. Step outside. Give me.
Heath, go get some hail from out there.
Go give me a cup. Go give me a cup. A big cup. I'm gonna grab a bunch.
No, it went off like it was over.
Ethan, videotape.
But now, now the TV's working in the living room, so we turned it to the news. I'll be right back, Heath. Yeah, it's okay. We're cool now. Gosh, I'm just, Chelsea's somewhere in the house, because I saw her right before it. Yeah, I'm sure she is a smart cat. Dang.
I got a cup full of hail.
He got some hail. Oh, dang, he got a cup full of hail.
I got a cup full of hail.
Put it in the freezer,
I'm going. Oh my God, I'm so. We're standing out there for a second.
Well, it's really hailing. It was really hailing.
It is so freezing cold.
It looks like snow on the ground. We have a white. We're videoing.
Don't step out in there. It
I'm not
hurts.
stepping out there.
It hurts.
I'm gonna get a better view.
The hail hurts. Oh, you got me back, Mom. It's not hailing no more. It's clear. It's clearing up. Oh, it's still raining. The backyard's flooded. I can only imagine what the little leach field spot looks like. I'm gonna go open the back door and check it. I am. Alright, love you. Bye. You can see how it's misty. Freaking A.